तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। आप सबका फिर स्वागत मेरे चैनल पर। जैसा कि हर एक नए टॉपिक के साथ आता हूँ, तो आज मैं हूँ फिर यहाँ पर एमपी पेट्स एंड एक्वा में, जो जयनगर बेंगलोर के अंदर है। तो बहुत सारे वीडियो मैं ऑलरेडी अपलोड किया था, देखा होगा आपने, रिसेंटली मैंने अपडेट दिया है। तो आज के वीडियो में आज हम कवर करने वाले स्पेशली हैमस्टर जितने टाइप के भी स्टोर में अवेलेबल हैं और बर्ड्स जितने टाइप के अवेलेबल हैं, उसके बारे में आज वीडियो बनाएंगे। तो हमारे साथ अयान हैं जो वीडियो स्टोर पर्सन है, तो बताएंगे। तो अयान, आज कौन कौन सी चीज़ें आप दिखाने वाले हैं हम लोगों को?
So today I'm going to show you two types of hamsters. One is the Syrian long hair and another one the Chinese. I will show you that later. Sir, basically we have three types here, and these are the small babies of the Syrian hamsters. These are a month old. Okay. They are eating on their own. So this would start from 700 a pair, sir, with us.
It's a dwarf hamster or normal hamster?
Sir, it's not a dwarf hamster. It's a Syrian long hair hamster. These are the babies.
Okay. And this one?
Sir, and these are the female Syrian hamsters, sir. If one of them is a female, they would grow up something like this. Sir, adult will cost you about 600 a piece, sir. It starts from 600 a piece.
1200 pair.
1200 a pair.
And this one?
So these are the males, adult males and females.
This is the same 1200 rupees pair.
Same, sir.
तो ये भी 1200 रुपये का पेयर है।
I'll show you what's the difference between a male and a female Syrian hamster, sir. This is how you differentiate between a male and a female Syrian hamster in the adult size. You can get
Male
to know
have
the
long
difference,
hairs,
sir.
female have how
This
less.
is the right.
Okay.
The one in my right hand is the male. This one, and this is a female. So you can see how bushy the male gets. Females do get bigger in size, but the hair growth is more for the males. This is in the adult size.
तो नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर भी हैमस्टर्स हैं। ये वाले कौन से हैं? चाइनीज हैमस्टर, डॉग हैमस्टर भी कहते हैं।
Yeah, these are the Chinese hamsters. They don't get as big as the Syrian long hair.
Is it tame one?
So these are all tamed. These are all semi-adult, sir. Pretty much almost the maximum size. They'll put on a bit. These are all tame. They don't bite you. Sir, this one it will cost you same as the Syrian hamster itself, sir.
1200 रुपीज़ पेयर।
Yeah.
तो ये भी 1200 रुपये का पेयर है। 1200 रुपीज़ का पेयर है। डॉग हैमस्टर आल्सो कॉल्ड चाइनीज हैमस्टर। दिस इज द मैक्सिमम अडल्ट साइज, राइट?
No, sir. These are semi-adult. They'll put on some more weight and size. These are all tamed. You can play with them all day long.
तो नेक्स्ट है रैबिट्स।
Sir, these are semi-adult rabbits. Sir, these are not babies, not they are adults. These are not the sizes we usually get. We get smaller ones. That will cost you about 400. It starts from 400. Depends on the size.
400 रुपीज़ ईच, 800 रुपीज़ पेयर, राइट?
The smaller ones, sir. As the size increases, the price also increases.
Okay, you have only one color available?
Sir, right now we do have only white.
तो एक ही एक कलर है यहाँ पर, वाइट कलर का। अगर आप डिफरेंट कलर चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएगा।
We do get grey and white, brown, full grey, black.
बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि हैमस्टर्स को और रैबिट्स को क्या फ़िट करते हैं वेजीज के अलावा। तो यहाँ पर मैंने अपने रैबिट्स के लिए 1 किलो ले लिया है। इस तरह के पैलेट्स हम फीड कर सकते हैं। रैबिट्स को हो या हैमस्टर्स को हो, कोई भी बड़े जो उनको दे सकते हैं। वो आराम से खाएंगे ईजीली और बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से मज़े से खाते हैं। तो यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाएगा, होलसेल में मिल जाएगा, रिटेल में मिल जाएगा।
We provide this to our customers at wholesale price itself. We have 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg packets. And if someone wants in bulk, we do have 25 kg packs also. For the price, you could call us or you could come and visit the store.
और साथ में यहाँ पर आपको रैबिट केजेस भी मिल जाएंगे। अलग अलग प्रकार के, अलग अलग साइज़ में केजेस मिल जाते हैं।
We have budgie cages, 1 feet cages, 1.5 feet cages, 2 feet, 2.5 feet cages. It will always be available in stock. We do have it behind.
तो यहाँ पर बड्जीज हैं। बड्जीज भी हमने ऑलरेडी कवर किया था, लेकिन आज हम इस वीडियो में विथ प्राइजेस जानेंगे। क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम हमने वीडियो डाला था तो बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे थे कि विथ प्राइस नहीं बोल रहे हैं, तो इसलिए आज हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं विथ प्राइजेस। तो बर्ड्स कितना प्राइस है अभी यहाँ पर आपके पास?
Sir, these are semi-adult budgies, sir. This will start from 600 a pair. Now,
ओके।
but the price may change in future, sir.
और
Because
कॉकटेल?
if you want to get the price, if you get the current price, you need to call to the number given below.
एंड कॉकटेल?
Sir, these are hand-tamed Lutino cocktails. This is a 4-month-old cocktail. It's pretty much the maximum size. Very healthy bird. All its feathers have grown. It's a self-eating bird. And then there is a 2-month-old one. It's still not developed all its feathers yet. It is semi-hand feed. We just feed it once a day. Sir, this hand tame cocktails start from 3,000 rupees each. Hand tame.
और अफ्रीकन लवबर्ड्स?
Sir, these are as I told you previously, these are the masked varieties. These are the pied ones. That's the reason they are special. Start from 2,000 rupees each. Depends on the size, depends on the color. And I'll repeat again, this won't be the same price in the future. It may decrease or it may increase. To get to know the current price, you could call on the number given below. So these are also semi-adult budgies. There's mango budgies, there's lutinos, there's albino budgies. All of them are mixed. That's what I told you previously, sir. It starts from 600 a pair. Semi-adult budgies.
तो अभी नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर कॉकटेल है, कॉकटेल वाइल्ड वन है ना ये?
So these are wild adults. This would cost you about 2,500 each. Those are all breeding pairs. We have white face, pearl, lutinos, grey, pied.
तो और बर्ड्स इसके और कौन से बर्ड्स मिलते हैं आपके पास?
Sir, as you know, we don't buy birds from outside. Whichever bird is in the shop, it is our own breed. As in the previous videos, you have seen our breeding setup. So we have expanded our breeding setups also now. So every single bird is from our aviary, which is bred with a closed ring. So now we don't have smaller conures and sun conures in our shop, but we do have them in our breeding setup, and they are still smaller chicks. They would be there in the shop by about 12 or 13 days more. So if you're interested in conures, sun conures, small green chick conures, it is available with us anytime. Sir, nothing. We do have 1 kg millets for lovebirds, cocktails, and then there is Birds Bite seed. We do have all kinds of things which are needed for birds, hand feeding birds. We have Royal Wings, we have Pets Life, and all common medicines which are used for treatment of birds. We do have. Sir, these are jumbo zebras. These are all adults. They have a ring inside there. These are all adult jumbo size. These are double of the normal zebra finches size.
तो नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर है हैंड टेम हैंड फीडिंग चिक्स.
So these are all lovebirds, hand tamed. All are self feed, sir. They cross the hand feeding stage. This will start from 2,000 rupees a piece. All are self feed, hand tamed. There's pied, there's lutino, there's opaline, there's the green fisher, and then there is a lutino. It's a baby, still in hand feed stage.
All are tame.
All are tamed. Syed bhai, one more happy news I wanted to share with everyone. We are in progress for opening one of Bangalore's biggest bird aviary, MP Aviary. It will consist of sun conures, pineapple conures, green chick conures, cocktails, Africans. It will be a pretty big setup.
So when will we shoot that one?
Sir, it's already in 50% progress. I think it would end by December last week, and I am sure I'll call you in the Jan first week for the opening.
तो ठीक है, ये कह रहे हैं कि अभी ये बेंगलोर में सबसे बड़ा खुद ब्रीडिंग सेटअप का वेरी बना रहे हैं, जिसमें बहुत सारे कन्यूर और लवबर्ड इस तरह के बहुत सारे होंगे जो खुद का ब्रीडिंग होगा. वहाँ पर ये खुद ब्रीड करके बहुत जगह सप्लाई भी करेंगे. तो आने वाले दिनों में देखने के लिए मिल जाएगा. आई होप हम वो भी कवर करेंगे इन फ्यूचर.
Our main motive is to provide the customer with a wholesale price of birds, really less price, so that they could, because our customers consist of all students, small children, so we need a more affordable price. Once this aviary opens, we would provide a pretty best deal to the customer.
ओके ठीक है, ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए कॉल कर सकते हैं. MP Pets Aqua बेंगलोर के अंदर. यहाँ पर मैंने नंबर दे दिया है. अगर आप चाहें तो विजिट कर सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने एड्रेस ऐड कर दिया है। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। फिर एक नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलेंगे, अब तक के लिए नमस्ते, गुड बाय।